In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on AI mode in Google Chrome, allowing you to enhance your search experience with the latest AI features Google has to offer. First things first, we need to begin by opening up Google Chrome. This is the browser where we'll be making all the changes. Once you're in Chrome, your destination is the Google homepage. If you're not there already, simply type in google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Now, double check to ensure you're logged into your Google account. This is important because some features are only available when you're signed in. Just look at the upper right corner of the page. If you see your account icon there, you're good to go. If not, take a brief moment to log in. This will ensure all your settings and changes are saved to your personal account. Now that you're signed in and on the Google homepage, your eyes should wander to the top right of the screen, where you'll find a small beaker icon, also known as the Labs icon. This is where Google experiments with new features and where we'll be diving into the possibilities of AI in search. Click on that beaker icon to enter the Labs section. Once you're there, you'll need to look for something called AI in search. This is the feature we're going to enable, and it's what powers the innovative AI mode. Upon finding AI in search, you'll see an on-off switch. All you need to do is toggle that switch to the on position. This is the step where you officially enable AI features in your search experience. Enabling this kind of innovation can really make your searches more intuitive and insightful, reflecting the future of how we engage with information on the web. After enabling AI in search, take a moment to click Return to Search. This action will take you back to the main search page. It might not look remarkably different at first glance, but stay with me for the next important step. Now, towards the top of the page, you'll see something labeled AI mode. Clicking on this will activate the new AI-based search interface, allowing you to start experiencing all that AI has to bring to your Google searches. With AI mode active, you might notice improvements in how search results are displayed or the relevance of the information returned. And just like that, you've successfully turned on AI mode in Google Chrome. You're all set to enjoy a more dynamic and intelligent search process. Keep exploring and experimenting with these AI tools as they can greatly enhance your online browsing experience. Enjoy the newfound capabilities of your Google search.